This looks like a normal video call until you realize every single person in this meeting is fake. Generated, voice cloned, face deepfake, even the CEO giving instruction doesn't exist. A real employee was tricked into wiring $25 million because AI made everything look legit. But here's what's worse. This isn't a one-time scam. No. AI hackers are already here, and they're not targeting tech companies or secret labs. They're targeting regular people like you or like me. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how AI is turning everyday hackers into digital supervillains. Now, if that opening story freaked you out a little, good, because it should. What you just saw wasn't some movie scene or futuristic prediction, it's actually happening in early 2024. And it's just one example of how AI is being used in a way most people still don't even realize. I've been following AI closely for years, and over the past few weeks I've been diving deep into reports, whistleblower forums, even hacker communities. And let me tell you, the stuff I found is next level scary. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how AI hackers operate, the real methods they're using, why this is escalating so fast, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself before it's too late. If you ever used your voice online, posted a video, or relied on smart tech, you'll want to stick around. Well, picture this. Traditional hackers used to need years of coding knowledge, manual brute force tools, and shady networks on the dark web to pull off a big attack. But now, anyone with access to the right tools can deploy something smarter, faster, and way more dangerous, thanks to AI. An AI hacker isn't necessarily a person. It can be a set of machine learning tools trained to write malicious code, clone voices, mimic human behavior, or even automatically break throughout security protocols. There are underground communities already selling AI-powered hacking bots that can bypass CAPTCHA in seconds, mimic real human typing and behavior to fool fraud detection systems, even create phishing emails that look terrifyingly legit, written better than most marketers could. Some of these tools are trained on massive datasets stolen from data breaches, meaning they know how you write, how you speak, and how to imitate you perfectly. Take this example. A group of hackers used an AI voice clone to impersonate CEO voice and called his assistant to approve a transfer. It worked. The bank wired out hundreds of thousands of dollars, and no one suspected anything until hours later. This is real, and similar voice cloning scams are being reported globally. Even scarier, some of these tools are now completely autonomous, meaning a single user can click a button, type in a target's name or email, and the AI does the rest. No coding, no hacking skills needed. That's why experts are calling this the rise of script kiddies 2.0. People who couldn't hack a toaster before, now pulling off breaches that used to take teams of elite hackers. So, when we say AI hackers are already among us, we don't mean it metaphorically, we mean it literally. And what makes it terrifying is that you might never even know they're targeting you until it's too late. Alright, so how exactly are these AI hackers pulling this off? Voice cloning. You've probably heard voice cloning before, but what you might not know is how terrifyingly good it's become. With just a 10 seconds audio clip, like from a TikTok, podcast, or even your voicemail, an AI model can create a near-perfect replica of your voice. Now, imagine getting a phone call from your mom, but it's not her, it's AI trained on her voice, asking for your bank details. Now, this is a real case. In the United Kingdom, a company executive was tricked by a voice clone of his boss into transferring over $240,000, and he swore it was him. The accent, the tone, even the urgency in his voice felt real. Deepfakes and real-time video forgery. Now, let's pair that voice with a face. Deepfakes started as creepy filters and movie memes, but now they've gone real-time. There are open-source tools like Deepfake Live that let someone veer your face live on camera during a Zoom call. And yes, it works with just a normal webcam. In fact, that $25 million scam we talked about at the start, it wasn't just a voice, it was an entire AI-generated video call with fake participants, built using deepfake tech. AI-generated phishing emails. Remember those old scam emails with broken grammar? Yeah, those are dead. Today, phishing emails are written by language models like ChatGPT, making them sound natural, personalized, and scary accurate. Some even scrape your social media to mention things like your job, recent posts, your manager's name, all to gain your trust. It's like getting scammed by your future self because it feels like you wrote it. AI malware and script generators. Here's where it goes full cyberpunk. Hackers are now using AI to literally write malware. And we're not talking about dark web genius. Just regular users who feed prompts like create a keylogger in Python or how to bypass Windows security using a macro. Some malicious users take open source AI models, fine-tune them on real malware datasets, and boom! They have a virus writing assistant that never sleeps. Think of it as ChatGPT, but for criminals. Autonomous AI agents. Here's where it gets really sci-fi. But it's already real. AI agents are now being created that can take a goal, make a plan, and then execute steps on their own. You just tell it, find vulnerabilities in this site, and the agent will research, probe, adjust, and even recommend exploits, without the hacker lifting a finger. Tools like AutoGPT, AgentGPT, and customized private models are being trained for one job: complete autonomous hacking. So yeah, we're not dealing with hoodie-wearing hackers in basements anymore. We're dealing with scalable systems that can mimic us, manipulate us, and even faster than we can react. Alright, now you might be wondering, why is this so easy for AI? How is it able to fool people so well? It's all about data, and we're giving it everything. AI learns by analyzing huge amount of data. And guess what? We've already uploaded everything it needs. Your voice from TikTok, your face from Instagram, your writing style from emails, DMs, blogging posts, even online reviews. Large language models like ChatGPT or its underground clone are trained on billions of text samples. That's why they can write like us, joke like us, even argue like us. And image-based models, they've been fed facial datasets with millions of human faces, often scrapped from public platforms, sometimes even without permission. So when AI mimics us, it's not guessing, it's predicting based on everything it's already seen from you. AI doesn't think, it predicts, and that's why it works. Here's the secret. AI isn't conscious, it's not thinking the way we do, it's predicting what comes next based on patterns. If you give it the first part of sentence, it knows what word is most likely to come next. If you give it 10 seconds of your voice, it predicts what your next sentence will probably sound like. That's why it's scary good at impersonation, writing fake emails, even generating fake people. It doesn't have to understand emotions. It just needs to know what usually comes next. The tech has scaled way faster than anyone expected. 5 years ago, voice cloning needed a studio quality sample and hours of training time. Today, you can clone a voice with a free app in less than 60 seconds. Why? Because commuting power exploded, cloud services got cheap, and open source communities started sharing everything, from deepfake code to malware prompt generators. It's like giving the world the keys to a nuclear lab and hoping no one uses them wrong. So no, it's not that hackers got smarter, it's that AI becomes so advanced and so available that even amateurs can now sound like experts. Here's the thing, everything we've talked about so far, that's just the beginning. Right now, most AI-driven hacks are still reactive, meaning they wait for human instructions. But researchers are already building AI agents that can make decisions on their own. These are called autonomous cyber agents, and they're being trained to plan, execute, and adopt without constant human input. Think about that, an AI that can detect vulnerabilities, design its own attack strategy, and modify it in real time if it hits firewall. This is no longer a hacker pushing buttons, it's AI acting as the hackers itself. Next up, fake people. Not just fake voices or fake faces, I mean entire synthetic identities. We're talking AI-generated humans with complete digital footprints, LinkedIn profiles, work histories, even fake Zoom interviews behavior, built to infiltrate organizations. Imagine interviewing someone for a remote job and not realizing you're talking to a full-on AI actor created by a hacker to gain internal access to your systems. And companies most aren't prepared. You've heard of softwares as a service. Now imagine hacking as a service. And it's already happening. There are black market platforms now offering AI-powered attacks, kits for rent. You don't need to know code. You just pay a fee, set a target, and the system does the rest. It's like hiring a hacker squad on autopilot, but cheaper and faster than ever. Governments are already testing AI tools, not in secret, but openly. The US, China, Russia, Iran all have cyber divisions using AI to analyze and exploit systems faster than any human can. That means in the near future, AI-powered attacks could disrupt entire countries, power grids, banking systems, communication networks, all vulnerable to weaponized algorithms. And unlike nuclear weapons, you don't need billions of dollars to launch one. Just a laptop and the right AI model. Okay, so all of this sounds terrifying, right? But let's not freeze in fear. Let's get smart. Think of your digital life like a house. If the doors and windows are wide open, it doesn't matter how nice the locks are. Here's what you can do right now. Use two-factor authentication for everything, not just banking. Step reusing passwords. Use a password manager. Keep your software updated. Most hacks happen through old vulnerabilities. This is basic digital hygiene, but it's your first shield against AI-driven scripts and bots. Know the red flags and train yourself. Most AI scams still need you to make a mistake. They're manipulative, but not magic. So, here's what to look out for. Sudden urgency, especially involving money or private info. Emails or texts that feel off, even if they look official. Calls or messages from people you know, but something's not quite right. If anything feels suspicious, hang up, don't click, verify manually. Trust your gut, it's still smarter than AI. For now. Limit what you share online. AI gets better the more you feed it, so stop giving it free data! Don't post high-quality voice recordings unless you absolutely need to. Be mindful of what you share on public LinkedIn, Twitter, even TikTok. Avoid uploading personal videos that gave away your face, voice, and behavior patterns. Those are all fuel for deepfakes. Think twice before oversharing, because someone or something is always watching. Use AI against AI. Here's a twist: AI can actually help defend you too. There are tools now using AI to detect phishing links, deepfake content, and alert you to data breaches linked to your email or phone. Just like cybercriminals are using automation, so are cybersecurity companies. Think of it as building your own AI bodyguard. Look, the point isn't to live in fear, it's to live aware. You don't need to become a hacker, you just need to stop being an easy target. AI hackers are no longer just some plot from a sci-fi movie. AI hackers are real and evolving. We've seen how AI is helping criminals mimic your voice, create fake people, and launch attacks faster than humans can blink. They don't need to know you, they just need your data, and chances are they already have it. This isn't the future, this is the present. So stay sharp, ask questions, don't just trust, verify button. If this video opened your eyes, share it. Not for me, but for your friends and family who still thinks AI is just a cool tool. Comments below with your thoughts or any weird AI scams you've seen, because the more we talk about this, the harder it is for them to win silently. And of course, subscribe if you want more videos like this. I've got some wild stuff coming that you won't want to miss. This is just the start of a new era. The question is, are we ready for it? I'll see you in the next one.